guys, so just got back from a cruise, took the RSX out, and yeah, PCH is still closed, so no cruising. So I picked this up, and yeah, well, I guess it's just time to bite the bullet on the Element. Kind of out of it, haven't really done anything you know, car related, video related, whatever, but whatever's in this box, I weighed it compared to a 5-pound dumbbell that I have, and this is comparable. So this is about 3 to 5 pounds right here in this little box. And what it is it's that heavy duty socket for the harmonic balancer right there. But yeah, so it's a 19, and that thing is pretty dang chubby. I'm gonna put it on my impact. Let's see if we could take this harmonic balancer off and start on this head gasket. But this is just gonna be the first step to a long ass journey of pulling the head. But yeah, so let's check this out. All right, so that's how it looks like without it. It's basically a weighted socket. This thing is like 16 bucks on Amazon. Half-inch drive, and yeah, this thing is super heavy. My hand's actually getting tired already by waving this thing. So pretty dang nice tool. Pretty cool that I got this. No breaker bars. I don't have to worry about anything. Hopefully I'm not gonna have to pull out the breaker bar with the cheater bar, and hopefully this just gets it. Let's try. So let's see the charge. 3 bars, that's not too bad. And what's the spec on this thing? Doesn't really say how many foot-pounds, but I think this thing was like 700 foot-pounds. But yeah, should get it. Let's see. And that's how it looks like right there. That thing is freaking monstrous. Can't even balance right. So yeah, I think that's a lot of weight, but let's see. All right, so let me get this off. Perfect. Right there. All right, guys, let's try this. Pretty weak right now, but let's see. Oh, it's a nice solid fit too. Oh, I took it off. Wow, it took it off. Wow, it took it off. Oh my God, it took it off. Oh my God, it took it off. Oh my God, it took it off. No. It took it off. Oh, what the hell? No. I thought I was gonna struggle. It took it off. That was literally, it zapped it right off. It took it right off. Oh my God, sorry guys. It took it off. No, I can't believe this. All right guys, well, I guess that's the start of it. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna pull the head off. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Okay, well, that's it. I'm gonna pull the head off. There's gonna be more videos to come on this.